Welcome to It's Easy TV. In this video I will show you the basic recording technique that I do for my channel. It is the easiest and most user-friendly application for me so far, the OBS Studio application. Stay tuned as I will show you where and how to download the application and how to do simple recording of your screen. But first, if you're new here, please consider to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Now, to download OBS Studio, open any browser and go to obsproject.com. Select the OS type of your device. Let's say I am using Windows. Click and it will automatically download. Then once done, just click to install and just follow the prompt. Once you have completely installed the OBS application, let's go and explore. So, from the start of this video, I am already using the application. I will just create a new screen for presentation in this video. To start recording, just click the Start Recording button on the right bottom of the screen. Here it is. Now you can see what's on my second screen. This is how OBS looks like. You can resize the screen on how big you want it to show up on your recording. Just normally drag it to your preferred size. In the source column you'll find your current available displays. You can remove any just by right-clicking on the display source and select Remove. Now I will show you how to add a source display. Just click on the plus sign on the source column, then select your source of display. It could be a game capture, an audio or on this case, is our display capture or our monitor in other words. Now you're seeing my screen 1. To hide the screen you just have to click the eye icon in the source column. Then to assign which display you want to be the primary just click then drag the source on which sequence you want your screen to be. Then just like what we did earlier you can resize your display if you want to show them both at the same time. You can use more than one source at the same time. Let's say you want to add your web camera capture. Same process, but this time just select video capture device. This is what some streamers use for their streams. Then you can move your display anywhere on your screen. If you are on a live presentation or streaming you can keep your video capture or your web camera output as the primary source, so it'll be on top, and just hide and show the display during presentation by clicking the eye icon on the source. Now, when it comes to the audio, you can customize it on the audio mixer just beside the source column. You can mute and unmute just by clicking the sound icon. Let us try. I will open a YouTube video and turn the audio on and off. The application will capture any sound produced by the system. Well, you can adjust the volume as you preferred. Welcome to It's Easy TV. I hope you're doing well. In this video I gonna show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 for free, without expiration. You can turn it on and off anytime you want during the presentation. Just select which source you want your audio to come from. You can play them all at the same time. And you can also turn on or off your microphone in here. Let us try to speak on the microphone.
Hello, check, hello, hello.
I don't have a separate microphone, but if you have, it will be at a better quality for sure. In that trial, I used my desktop installed default microphone. And that's the basic recording of your screen. After recording just click on Stop Recording. And you can find your recordings by clicking the file and select Show Recording. There you will see your recordings. As I've said earlier, this application so far is the easiest for me to use. But there's still a lot of applications available for free. If you want me to show you other recording application, please leave a comment below. I hope I was able to help. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.